All right, in this video, we're going to customize this 7 fantastic ways to make money online text layer, and we're going to do a lot of things to it. We're going to change the font, we're going to change the color, we're going to add some layer styles to it, and I think we're going to make it look a little bit more lively, a little less stiff. So here's how we're going to start. Let's double click on the layer, and that selects the text tool, and it highlights the text for us. We're going to head up here to the toolbar and click the color swatch. We're going to change this to black. Just click all the way down in the lower left-hand corner. Click OK. That text is now black. Although, since it's highlighted, it looks like it's white, doesn't it? So let's hit the Enter key on the numeric keypad, and that will let you see that, in fact, it is black. Okay, let's double-click it again. Whenever text gets selected like this, the color of it gets inverted, so don't pay too much attention to it when it's actually selected. Let's go up here to the font name, and we're going to look for a font that maybe is indicative of handwriting. That looks a little hard to read. Let's go with Mistral. I think I like that one. Yeah, that'll work. We need to make it a little bit bigger, though. Here is the size for the text. You can do any of these predetermined sizes, or if you like, you can click in the box right there and directly type a size. Okay, so we have changed the color, we've changed the font, and we've changed the size. Again, let's hit that Enter key on the numeric keypad. And what I want to do is make that text kind of snap. I want to make it pop off the screen. And we're going to do that with a layer style. Since we were already in the layer styles box, I've got this little section down here where I can double click. So I'll double click and load that. And let's see what an outer glow would look like in this particular case. Let's change from blue to white. Click OK. Now that looks pretty sharp. I kind of like that as is. Let's see what a stroke would look like. Maybe a red stroke. Much smaller. Let's drop that size down to 1 or 2. I don't know. What do you think? I like it better without, I think. So we'll just leave that off. Click OK. Now I've got this nice outer glow. Well, like I said, I want to transform this and make it look not so stiff. And I use the word transform on purpose because we're going to use what's called the free transform tool. Go up to Edit and Free Transform. This is Control-T or Command-T on the Mac if you happen to like keyboard shortcuts. And this is one of the keyboard shortcuts that I do recommend that you learn because you'll probably be doing it a lot, and it'll just speed things up a lot for you if you hit that Control-T or Command-T on the Mac. But check out the bounding box that I get all the way around this text element. And by the way, we can use the free transform tool on any element that's in Photoshop. So if it's a picture or if it's text or whatever it is, we can transform it. And we can transform it a lot of different ways. The one I'm going to show you right now is a very simple rotation. Just go near any one of these handles. If I go right on top of the handle, notice I get the double arrows, okay? And that happens on any of these. But if I go near the box, like on the outside, my little pointer changes to that curved arrow thing. That lets me know that I can rotate that element. So now, and you can do this, by the way, on any of the handles, just go near it, and it'll change. Okay, so just click and drag, and you'll be able to rotate that element. In this case, we're doing text. If you click inside the bounding box, click and drag, you can move it around. And then when you're done, just hit the Enter key, and that finalizes it. So we're doing pretty good. You changed the font, you changed the size, you changed the color, you added a layer style, and you transformed it. And all of that real easy. And again, you can do it to any element inside of Photoshop. In our next video, we're going to go ahead and customize the background, change the color, maybe change the way the gradient looks. And again, we'll be dealing with some of the basic Photoshop tools.